Anchor tape scrolling hyperlink ads at the bottom of every page on classified adverts help get your ads noticed. This feature keeps your ad moving across the screen, catching the eye of visitors and directing them to your website with clickable links. You can choose to show your ad on one page or the whole site, fitting your specific needs. Classified adverts helps both visitors and advertisers. Using the scrolling ads, you can reach more people and get more traffic to your website, which can increase sales. This is a win-win situation, giving businesses great opportunities to grow. You can also place multiple ads and use hashtags, keywords, and clear descriptions to make your ads more effective. Classified adverts gives you the tools you need to succeed in today's market. So now let's dive into the tutorial that how to publish scrolling ads on this platform. First of all, log into your account and open Dashboard where you can see lot of options available there. Click on scrolling ads from the left menu and then click on upload. There will be a form appears like that. You have to add a suitable ad title over here, which represents your ad. After that you have to add the product URL on which you wants to redirect user. After setting the URL, you have to select suitable page as category from here. After that you have to add content of your ad which will represent your ad. After that you have to add hashtags on which your ad will ranks up. Now as per my requirement, I had filled the form. Now, I am ready to hit the publish button. After hitting publish button, ad will be published after some processing, also notifying me that your ad had been published successfully. Now let's move to the front end that how our published ad looks like. Here we can see that my published ad is displaying over here, and when someone clicks on this ad, he will be redirected to the URL which I inputs over there while publishing ad. That's all how scrolling ad works on classifiedadverts.com. Thanks for watching video.